If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back, everyone. To be honest, it is another emergency update, another very important one, because not only have we bounced, which is a bullish factor, but we've unfortunately, after bouncing, not been able to reclaim the moving averages to continue with our uptrend. This is the reaction that we needed to see from this level of support. Not only the bounce confirming the bottom of our uptrend, the 200 EMA, but actually taking out the shorter term moving averages so that we just go bullish in the immediate short term. As we are rejecting them, it means in the immediate short term, we are bearish until the 200 EMA. We're already at the 200 EMA. So today is an important day. We need to watch out for today's daily candle close. It's going to give us huge clues. Don't worry, I will be here tomorrow. So turn on the notification bell on. You need to be subscribed to do so. And pretty much 40% of you are tuning in every single day, but are not subscribed. Let's bump it up. You know, if that 40% of you were subscribed, we'd be well over 8,000 subscribers. So continue to support the channel. It is really appreciated. And yeah, help that algorithm. So what we're seeing over here is that the key level, the bottom of our uptrend, 200 EMA, is actually within that purple level of support we've been talking about for weeks and weeks and weeks on end, $103 to $110. And while this is our support, I still have the belief we can bounce from here. We have already done so on two separate attempts, one actually taking out the 20 but failing to confirm its support, the second occasion just now failing to reclaim it. Now this for me is a very telltale signal. Now we are holding the support, we are at the bottom of our uptrend, but as that's considering what the longer term vision is on the daily time frame, we also need to know what's going on in the here and now. What is the next move? And unfortunately, off of yesterday's daily candle close, the direct next move was meant to be down. Why? Because the daily candle close was a shooting star candlestick pattern that is rejecting resistance. Wicks to the top, it wants to drop. And that is exactly what we saw today. And so right now, before 9.5 hours pass, so by the time you're watching this, it won't be 9.5 hours left of the day. These videos are posted either the same hour or a few hours later. I can't post 100 videos at one go. I can't record 100 videos at one go. I can't edit 100 videos at one go. And I can't make thumbnails 100 times in one go. So things do take time. And I like to let the videos to perform to get engagement. So yeah, comments, likes, they really push the channel for the algorithm. If you can do that as well, it speeds up the process of me getting out the next update as well. So stay tuned on the channel. And again, guys, if we do not hold this level of support, we're losing the bottom of our uptrend. And so we go into a downtrend, but then it becomes the top of it. And so we would then need to realize that every time we come into it, we could be expecting a dump from that location. But eventually you need to have the vision that we will be back above it at some point if it is lost. Right now it's not lost. Right now we are waiting for this, but with the telltale signals of yesterday, it's very important for today's daily candle close to give us a hint whether we will lose this or get a huge green candle from here with a wick rejection, looking for another break in the next couple of days of the upside. So stay tuned on the channel, turn the notification bell on, make sure you're watching every single quant update over the next few days. Very important, because this is our key level of support, and if this is eventually lost, we're changing the trend. It wants to retrace back down to this low, $94. It wants to actually lose that and go to $87. So we really need to keep our focus. But again, long term, if you have the vision, if you have a time scale, long-term time scale of investing, then actually, while we're underneath the 200 EMA, if we could spend some time underneath, look over here, we spent some time underneath, but in this scenario we could spend even longer than that period. It could be months and months, but I'm hoping not. I'm hoping that we just bounce from here, but I just don't care what personally happens. I look at it as opportunity if we actually go beneath the 200 EMA, because I know one day we will be above it again, and when we are above it, we're going higher and higher and higher and higher. So this is a good example over here. We lost the 200 EMA, everyone's screaming bearish, but if you bought some, then you can see what happened next. So yes, we might get trapped under here for months and months and months. I'm personally not hoping so, but we could do, and then you'd obviously just see bearish videos on Quant constantly. Quant is going to go lower, and then just use that as opportunity, because one day we'll be back above that 200 EMA and we'll never see that price point again. So all in all, whether we go up right now or go down even lower, I will just continue to DCA, because where is Bitcoin in terms of the bull market top? Has it even surpassed the all-time high? All answers are no. So the answer becomes we are early. And so from that, you need to question whether it's a good time to invest. And the answer is always yes, while Bitcoin is underneath its all-time high. Cheers, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And if you want to get educated, I have a Discord, I have a course, I have an ebook, and a one-to-one mentorship plan, which is the best offer, as it includes 2 months free in the chat. On top of that, you'll have my course to fall back on top of those 3, 5, or 10 hours of my personal one-to-one help, where I sit with you and teach you until you get this exactly as I do. Cheers, everyone. Use the links down below. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.